Hello friends, welcome to our review of Taj Al Madinah Hotel, an economy hotel in Shuttule, Madinah. We'll share our experience and let you know if it's a great budget-friendly option. Let's get started.
Madinah, the peaceful city of the world. For a comfortable and affordable stay, head to Taj Al Madinah Hotel, a warm and welcoming economy hotel in the heart of the city. Let's explore.
Great shuttle service at Taj Al Madinah Hotel. Drops you off near Masjid Bilal, lovely entrance, ambience, and a warm welcome at reception. Perfect start to your stay.
Taj Al Madinah Hotel, approximately 1,800 meters from Masjid Nabwi, and offers reliable Wi-Fi, convenient and connected stay.
Room reveal at Taj Al Madinah Hotel. Spacious rooms perfect for groups and large families, with 6 to 7 beds, plenty of space to relax and unwind. Already planning our next stay at Taj Al Madinah Hotel. Perfect for our entire family. Can't wait to return and experience the warm hospitality again. Highly recommended.
Stay tuned for more. We'll explore other rooms and share our experiences. Subscribe for updates and honest reviews. Thanks for watching. See you next time.